Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Sir and I'm currently living in Vaasa, Finland, and today I have cooking classes, so I have to go at 8. I have a class before that, so it's very cold today, so I have to wear gloves. Now I'll leave, my classmate is waiting outside, so let's go. By the way, this jacket I got for cycling, I got from Kirpis for free. So let's go now. I'm taking this bike and Bhai is taking that one. So we have to reach in 13 minutes. Let's go. We just got ready for our cooking class. Now there's time left, so we will play some air hockey. So now our kitchen is open, we'll go inside. For our batch, it's kitchen number 3. We had our coffee, now we will go inside. So we just got done our menus, so now we'll go inside and start our cooking. We got divided into groups, now we'll start cooking. This is our section for today. So we gathered all our things. People have already gathered. This is our section from here. So we gathered all our things. I'm in charge of the stew for now, so I'll cut the onions. So I have prepared everything for the stew. Chicken stock, cream, white wine. This is tarragon, carrot, paprika, broccoli, onion, garlic. So I'll start cooking now. This is ready. This was done by me, and this we just finished. It's almost done. Let's see. Now we'll clean up everything. After it comes out, we will put this topping and put it back in, and this is the stew. It's rising slowly. Now we will put the topping. Now we will put it back in. So it will stay in there for 10 minutes. Let's go. We're plating the salad. This is the salad, bread, and coriander. So our cupcakes are ready. Looks good. So we'll eat this after we're done with the soup. So we're heating up the soup and we'll have rice with it. Rice is already ready. And this is our main course for the day, stew and rice. We're done with the food. Now we'll have cupcakes and start cleaning. We just finished our class for the day. Now I will go work out for a little while and then go home. So I have reached this building. Now I will go inside, do a quick workout and go home. Quite empty today. Just got done with the gym. I will play some TT. So just as you come out of the main building, next to it is the bowling alley. So I'll just go there and ask if it's free for us students studying at Vamia. These are the timings. Okay. Okay, it's quite big.
So if you come, for example, 4 people,
Yeah.
it's like 16 for the lane. So you can split that on four. So it's like 4 euros per.
Okay, but only if we come as group from the school, then it's
Yeah,
free
with,
for.
with the teacher. With the teacher you have booked before.
Uh-huh.
It's the dance school place. But if you come outside the school group,
Then
like
it's this price. Alright. Thank you so much. Have a good day. So, I'm still sweating from the gym. So, over here, if you come from Vamia as a group of students, you have to first inform your teacher and she will book it for y'all. So, it will be under her name and she will mention how many students are coming. So that way it will be booked for you and you don't have to pay. But if you're coming with your own friends from outside without informing from before, then you have to pay. And the rates are as he showed. So it's raining right now, so I will be going home. See you in the next video.